What's up? This is Ray. Welcome back. Hey, today we got a good episode. We're going to be checking out just some basic fundamentals of photography. We're going to be looking at lighting. We're going to be reviewing this 20 by 20 softbox kit by Esddi. I've reviewed many Esddi products in the past. As a matter of fact, I reviewed their large softbox kit, and it's one of my most popular videos, to be honest. I'll put a link up here. But this kit, what's good about this kit is it's smaller, it's more affordable, and it's really just two soft boxes, and it's a perfect start if you're doing YouTube or photography or anything like that. So this kit is about 80 bucks, and it has a few improvements over the older kit. So yeah, if you're curious, if you're thinking of getting into photography and you need something affordable to get started, this is perfect way to do it, trust me. So stick around. We're going to be checking out the Esddi 20 by 20 dual softbox kit right now. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is actually not the light. I want to show you the light stand that it comes on. At first you'd think it's just any old regular light stand, but what I like about it is on the top of it, it comes with a quarter turn screw. Most light stands will not have that, and why this is advantageous is if you have small LED lights, the rectangle type, you can screw them on here rather than having a whole dedicated tripod for that. You can even kind of use it as a tripod if you have a ball head and put it on here. This little screw that seems like such a little thing can open up a lot of other possibilities and save you from having to carry one extra thing in the bag. Yeah, so let's put this back in place. You just screw it in right here. So let's take off. This is the diffuser that it comes with. It softens the light. There's 4 Velcro in the middle of each side, and this is the LED bulb. As you can see, it looks like a kind of floodlight. And what advantage of the LED bulb? I'm going to show you this softbox now, this rectangle softbox side by side with this new one. Look at the quality of the light, the color of the light, and the slightly more brightness from this LED bulb. When I first got them, I'm wondering what is the difference between these. They're both giving me light. It wasn't until I put them right next to each other that I saw that this LED bulb is a cleaner, whiter light. And that's a good thing. You're always going to white balance your camera no matter what light you're using anyway, but it's always good to start out with something that's accurate. And of course, on the inside, you have this shiny reflected dappled material. There's really not much else to say about this, but it is awesome. A lot of people use strobes and flashes for photography indoors, and I don't know if that's really necessary, man. When you can have a continuous light like this, you can see exactly what the image is going to look like before the flash hits the trigger. So yeah, these are great for studio shots. I've used them before, and I'll put some images up now. Okay, so I know this is not the best angle I'm at right here, but I want to show you the difference in the dimensions between the new 20 by 20 versus the older softbox that I've been using. This light, quality of the light, of course, is better in every way, but this rectangle one, as you can see, it's a little taller. And in my opinion, for what I do, mostly shooting myself or people, I prefer the taller one because you can get the light higher from head to chest compared to this one. I would like for them to have put this LED bulb and updated light stand with this shape, that shape modifier. But that's just something I had to point out, is the dimensions of it. All right, so one thing I do have to point out with this bulb is it's an LED bulb, and I expected it to be cool. But it gets really hot. It gets so hot that you kind of probably want to let it cool down before you remove it from the modifier. And that's something to, I guess it's considering how bright it gets, it's understandable. But There's things about LED lights that I didn't know and I'm learning right now. So yeah, that is the technical things that I figured out about the light. All right, so this is how you operate and open this. It behaves just like an umbrella. Hopefully you can see this black ring right here. All you do is push it in around the light socket and it will lock in place. There. And to close it is really the opposite. Just pull on it. And when you fold it up, just spin it in one direction. Make it smaller, and that's how you slide it into its carrying case. All right, so that is my review of the Esddi 20 by 20 inch pair dual softbox lighting kit. As you can see, they are legit, very capable, and I recommend them, especially for someone starting YouTube and so forth. As I mentioned before, it's about 80 bucks. I'm going to put a link to the Amazon store where you can get this. Also, look at the rest of their store. They have a large combination of stuff. And matter of fact, this other review I did featuring these rectangle softbox, it comes with 2 rectangle softbox, 2 umbrellas, a backdrop with 3 different backdrops. That is important too if you need to do more than what this can give you. So check out their Amazon store. But hey, keep in mind, no matter what lighting you use for your photography, your video, or any of your creative work, until next time, as always, keep it real.